Okay, greetings friends and subscribers, and welcome to another episode of Year of Beer. And today we're at
Volcano Bay in Universal Studios, Orlando.
Do you want me to say that?
I said it.
Okay. And today we're at
Volcano Bay in Orlando at Universal Studios.
We're about to try a volcano blossom. Alright.
Let's drink.
Okay. So I know nothing about this beer other than they sell it on all the menus in Universal Studios. I'll have to look up the information on what the specific alcohol is and stuff, and maybe we'll put it in the video right here under this where I'm dangling my finger.
Which you can't see.
Okay, I'm dangling my finger right about here. So first bouquet actually, it's got a really floral, tropical kind of sweet smell to it. Maybe that's why it's called Volcano Blossoms. Ooh. Smells really crisp. Actually, I'm like mouth watering now just smelling it. I'm gonna give it a taste. It definitely is unique. It's got a light crisp flavor, a florally sweetness. Wow, like I think it's probably better than the Purple Haze. The beer we tried in New Orleans. So Julia's gonna try it in a second, and she'll let me know if that's actually true.
I really liked Purple Haze.
So I just like messed up the videos and everything, but we're probably good. So then Julia's here. Hi, Julia.
So maybe I'm upside down. Hi.
I'll fix it in post editing.
Okay, good. Oh, that does smell nice, doesn't it?
Yes.
It does have a very floral and honey-like
There's the mark.
smell to it.
It's not overly hoppy, malty, really berry. It's crisp and
really
slightly
nice.
sweet.
It's light and very sweet. It's not as nice as Purple Haze. Purple Haze was definitely better. But this one is not bad. It's really nice. It is really sweet.
I like it sweet without being sugary sweet.
Yeah, the blossom is almost like the blossom nectar. And so it's got a little bit of like that honey flavor to it. But it is very, very nice. It's calm, not overpowering flavor otherwise. It's very nice. It's great for a patio drink, which is where we are, which is amazing.
Great. Alright, so I'm going to switch back.
Beer's not particularly cheap at Volcano Bay or Universal Studios. That being said, you know, as far as the auctions go, this beats a Blue Moon or a Miller Lite or any of the domestic taps very easily. So thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and as always,
Thanks for drinking with us.
cheers.